24K Gold Group. For this Monday, June 25. I'm Javier Chocolado.
And I'm Alicia Dagsaan. Good morning, everyone. Here are the latest happenings in the whole world.
Headline. Reporter kidnapped says Jordan Embassy. Missing Jordanian journalist Bakar Chani has been kidnapped in Cebu, according to the Foreign Ministry of Jordan, as reported in Jordan Times.
Obama calls Romney an authority pioneer and not an authority. President Barack Obama mocked Mitt Romney on Friday as an authority pioneer who quit jobs overseas to places like China and India.
Taxi driver died in a multiple vehicle collision.
Here are the details.
Reporter kidnapped takes Jordan Embassy. Effort exerted by Jordanian Embassy in Tokyo and our consul in Manila confirmed that the Chani was kidnapped. At Malacanang, Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Balte yesterday the statement rejected from Jordanian Foreign Ministry that Chani is in the hand of the Abusayyid. According to her statement, as far as we are concerned, we have the information that he is still there. That he voluntarily went there. There seems to be no indication to the contrary. Right now in Cebu, national security officials are still grappling for the proof of the staff.